My name is Laurent Demuynck. I'm a founder and CEO of Kigali Farms. I founded Kigali Farms in 2010, so 13 years ago, to help alleviate malnutrition through mushrooms. Why? Because I fell in love with mushrooms, and mushrooms can actually change the world. They're really highly nutritious. You can grow a lot of large quantities on very small surfaces. They need mild climate like Rwanda has. And we started with oyster mushrooms, and a few years later added button mushrooms. After we mastered the techniques of actually growing the mushrooms, then we got into the next challenge of how do you get the mushrooms to their market. When we started shopping for a refrigerated truck, I found I was not getting the right answers from the people I was talking to. And I said, I need to talk to the people at the source. Put me in touch with the people who are selling the refrigeration equipment, which happened to be a Carrier. The Kenyan vendors agreed and put me in touch with a gentleman called Eric Moussi in France. And I have to say that was a wonderful experience. Eric is a very charming gentleman to begin with, extremely knowledgeable. Immediately I felt in good hands. I mean, I felt a lot of empathy. I felt he was listening to our requirements. He asked a lot of questions himself to understand exactly, what are the precise dimensions of the truck that you're buying? What is the nature of the product that you have? And many questions. What temperatures do you really need, et cetera, et cetera. And so we were able to have this productive exchange. And then he said, this is what you need. And once we got our new truck installed, operating and everything, it was like a miracle. So we solved our problem of mushroom quality. Our discard rate went to 0%. And then, of course, the beauty is that the truck was ours, so we could bring goods back from Kenya. And we've also brought fruit on our own account, which we then resell. The margin we're able to make from the return trip more or less pay for the cost of operating our own truck. So our cost of transport went from $100,000 a year to $0 a year.